boys all the way. Made it the first hoop and he made it to the second hoop. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 35 years. It's a male or female just by looking at their colors. And we made it all the way to the second hoop. Men like this have bright green in color, while female, can you say hi? Now, yellow Amazon parrots are one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to its excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at mimicking everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, a telephone ring, or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first.
We have a cat.
Now for the next one, it is Rudy's favorite. Oh, Rudy, can you bark? Now for the next one is a telephone ringing. Now last one is a whistle. Good job, buddies. Now Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, they need to do what all singers do. They have to warm up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm up. Now for their first song. Whoa, I love you more than I can. One more time. Whoa, I love you more than I can. Now before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Or within this month? Raise your hand. Alright, now happy birthday. Now buddies, we have some celebrants here. What will you do next? One more time. Last one, buddy. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So round of applause to our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lani and Rudy, and also to their mentor, Miss Donna. Now, again, they're one of the largest and the best-known toucan species in the world. Now, as you can see, it has a white throat and a black body that helps them camouflage in the rainforest. Now, when toucans travel, they don't fly in long distances like other birds. Instead, they hop between branches and flap their wings vigorously to reach their destination. Now, there are a total of 40 toucan species in the world, and one thing they have in common is their large and beautiful bill. Now, toucans, they have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. It is because it is made up of protein and keratin, just like our hairs and nails. Now, Miss Evie here has a handful of fruits. She will toss it to Mr. Horn. Now, let's see how good he is at catching his food. First try, Mr. Horn. You miss it. It's okay, buddy. How about the second one? The last one, buddy. Good catch, buddy. Now, fun fact about this bird, they can control their body temperature just by adjusting their blood flow to their beak. So when they feel hot, their beak will serve as a thermoregulator, or it regulates their body temperature. So round of applause to our most handsome name, Mr. Horn. Now, since you already witnessed the amazing skill. Now, eastern grass owl, they are nocturnal type of bird, meaning most of their hunting time is during the night time. Now, these types of birds of prey can be found here in Asia, Pacific region, and Australia. Their lifespan in the wild, they can only live up to 9 to 10 years. But in here, they can live much longer, 15 to 20 years. Now, just like any other owls, they have a flexible neck. They can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. It is possible because this bird has a 14-neck vertebrae, allowing them to spot a prey and be aware of its surroundings without moving its whole body. So round of applause to our eastern grass owl named Bella. Now for our next birds of prey, they're excellent at catching their food from other birds, even in mid-air. Now again, please sit down and do not try to reach out or touch our birds. It is for your own safety. Now ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for snatching prey in flight, our Brahminic cat named Shadow. But wait, there's more. Here comes the brother of Shadow, Argus. Now for our third Brahminic eye, please let me welcome Cloud. Now formerly known as Redback Sea Eagle in Australia, but they're locally known here in the Philippines as Banog in Bisaya and Lawi in Tagalog. So Brahminic eye, they have a white plumage from its head down to its underparts. And the rest of its color are striking chestnut brown. Now as you can see, Brahminic eyes, they're excellent at gliding, soaring, and circling up in the sky. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20 to 30 years. Now these types of birds of prey can be found in Australia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Pakistan. Thank you so much. Now these types of birds of prey, it can live in the wild up to 20 to 30 years. Okay, I want you to meet Sky. Now as you can see, Brahminic eye, they practice cryptoparasitism, or they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey in flight. Again, they love to snatch their food from other birds. That's why they are called as a snatching prey in flight. Thank you so much, Mr. Charles. Again, as you all know, Brahminic eyes, they are the real-world reflection of Garuda, a guardian figure that symbolizes power, protection, and divine guidance in various cultures. Again, they're excellent at gliding, soaring, and circling up in the sky. Again, their lifespan in the wild, they can only live up to 20 to 30 years. Thank you so much, ma'am. You can now take your seat. Sir Marina, the white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It is a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. Now, the scientific name for this bird is Heliatus leucocaster. Now, their favorite food in the wild, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, small turtles, and mammals. Now, these largest birds of prey can be found in Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and Sri Lanka. Now, their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 25 to 30 years. Now, a white-bellied sea eagle can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. Now, lastly, a white-bellied sea eagle symbolizes wilderness and freedom. So, round of applause to our white-bellied safari, camel area birds of the world, and African savanna. Just go up and turn to your left side, proceed to around the town area. For those who want to witness our white Bengal tiger feeding 2:30 p.m., just go up and turn to your right side, 2-minute walk going down. Again, thank you so much everyone and enjoy the rest of the walk.